What's up, guys? I don't know if y'all fucking hear me, but whatever. This is my Sfx Pack, mostly updated. You know what I mean? Hit the readme, whatever. Got the ARs, Havoc, Hemlock, R3, LMGs, Marksman Rifles, Build Check, G7, 30-30. Got all the nades, Lobster Explosion, Draw, full sound, and then you got the charge up, shit like that. Therms, shit loud as fuck. You got all the pistols, shotguns, you get the fucking idea. Sentinel, you know what I mean? You got the disruptor round one, then we got the regular one, and then we got the charge ups and shit. So yeah, have fun with this shit.